Okay. Hi, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome again. Uh, in this video, we'll see how to print. Okay, first of all, we I deleted. Okay. Now I'll see how to print a value for a very different data type. Okay, I just put a value for integer. This is 40. Okay, float is 30.55. Okay, character means a, and double is 234509. Okay. Okay, now how I'll print? First of all, I have to need to write the value of int d, that is %d. Okay, a printf the value of float %f and b. Value of character c. Okay, and double means lf or ld. Okay, first of all we'll see ld and d. lf. Why the error showing? Double means L. Okay, let's see what happened. The value 40, the character A, the float is not showing. Okay, it's not showing. If I press D, let's see, float 0. Okay, if I press F, let's see, it's coming, right? Sorry, it will double double. Okay, just put printf /n. Okay, just copy it and enter and enter. Now build and run. Okay, the value of int, the value of float, value of character, and the value of double. Okay, now double is contain the 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, how we can remove it? And another thing is, see here also 349999. Okay, how we'll remove this? Just put 0.2f. Okay, just 0.2f. Okay, now build and run. See, okay, looks good. Okay, thank you very much. See you again next tutorial. And one important thing is, who are watching my video tutorial, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much, and definitely a thumbs up.